What's good, YouTube? Today I'll be going over how much you can make driving for Uber Eats. Today we're starting at about 1 o'clock, so it'll be just the afternoon section, and I will see about how many orders you can get in, how much you can make doing it, if it's busy, as well as if it's profitable with the amount of mileage that you will be driving. We'll compare it if you've seen my Instacart video we did more recently or prior to this, and you'll see if it works out better. So if you can see here, we're gonna go ahead and start out at 0. And we'll go from there, so stay tuned. All right, it's 6 o'clock, done 14 deliveries, and at 1:11 right now, we're at 78 miles on the odometer, so looking pretty good. A little more miles than Instacart is, but it's still looking pretty good. This is with the tips included, and tips might still continue to come in. Assuming it's continue to be busy. Stay tuned. Finishing off the day, it's 8:44, so roughly 7 hours of working today, and we were able to get $199.29 and a $3 cash tip. This is including the tips we've got so far. We may actually get more tips within the next day or two, or even the next week. Uber, it can take a while for people to actually give tips, but that's pretty good for 7 hours. And with mileage, we're at about 125 miles. So if you've been comparing this to our last video where we did Instacart, we actually did a lot better with driving less miles and working for less hours and making a little bit more per hour if you were to calculate that. So right now, Uber Eats is pretty lucrative and a good way to go and a good way to make money. So stay tuned. We're gonna do DoorDash and Postmates as well and compare those.